Whether you have been using Xianyu Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to Xianyu Chinese shopping app, and then you found out that what supplier sent you or what a seller sent you is not exactly what they describe. That is, when you are talking about quality of the product, you receive a very poor quality product. Here is what you need to do immediately to get a correct product or get a refund of that particular item from the seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Bear in mind, you need to make sure you pay to the seller on Xianyu right here before you can file this report and get either the quality product you pay for or get a fully refunded from the seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. And the next thing you want to do right here, when you open up your Xianyu app, there's no need of you talking to the seller any longer. Just file a report. For that, go ahead and click on your profile icon right here, and then it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to security center. Then it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on quick report right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this one right here. That's going to take you right here. So at the point here, you will see all the items that you have been received so far on Xianyu right here. All you have to do is to select the item that was poorly delivered. So for instance, if this is the item that was received and the item was in a poor condition, all you have to do is to go ahead and select the item. The more you scroll down, the more you see all items you have been received so far in your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So go ahead and select the items. Once you select the item, click on here to proceed and submit all proof like picture and video of what exactly you receive, and back it up with a simple narration of exactly what you want. And then submit your report and complaint. Xianyu team is going to swag into the action, contact the seller, and then find out who is at fault. If at the end of the day, the seller is at fault, you will either get the quality of what you pay for, or you get a fully refunded back to your Alipay in your Alipay account, provided that you pay to the seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to source and ship product on Xianyu Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.